Welcome back to Lily's Everyday, everyone. My name is Lily, and today I will be sharing with you how to make Russian piroshki and Polish kolache using the Rhodes dinner rolls I have over here. They are yeast-based and they save you a ton of time. Another reason why I love using this brand is because it is minimally processed and you get 36 individually portioned rolls to work with. I will be sharing with you some traditional fillings and some modern fillings, so let's get started. As one of the fillings, I will be making mincemeat, so in the pot I have 2.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. I will also be making some mashed potatoes as a complementary filling or a filling by itself for the piroshki and the kolache, so I have a few potatoes boiling to make the mashed potatoes. I added about 1.5 cups of water to my beef pot so I can cook it. This is a healthier alternative rather than doing it with oil. To this, I'm also going to add 1 head of onions chopped and about 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. Once the beef has been fully cooked, I will be adding 1 bunch of cilantro and 1 bunch of parsley, both of them finely chopped, to the pot, and I will stir it in for about a minute just to give it the flavor. The last ingredient to this is about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and stir it in. By then, the potatoes are ready, and I'm going to keep this one pretty simple. I'm simply going to mash it up with just a little bit of butter and season it with salt and pepper. Once the fillings are finished, we're going to prep our wrapping station. So I have a sheet pan with foil and sprinkled flour, as well as extra flour ready to go. I had some rotisserie chicken left over, so I've portioned that in 2 different dishes, of which I'm going to do one with wing sauce and the other I'm going to season with ranch seasoning. And I also had some homemade gravy. I'm going to utilize that as well, and all the other stuffings we made together. Bottom line is, you can use anything for these, it's going to taste great. Now we're going to start rolling the dough. We're going to use one of the rolls that's in the package, and we're going to simply make it oblong, kind of like an oval shape, as much as possible on the floured surface. Fill the dough with the filling of your choice, keeping it in the middle. Now pinch the opposite sides of the dough together. Trim off any excess dough off of the ends and make sure to pinch to seal them. Gently press and flatten to evenly distribute the filling. Repeat the process until you're done. Once the baking sheet is full, set it aside for about 30 minutes for it to proof, and give them ample space on the baking sheet as they will rise. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to make kolaches. It's basically the same process, but instead of opening up the dough oblong, we're going to make it round. Again, make sure to center your fillings. On this one, I'm going to opt to use the mashed potatoes, ranch chicken, and the gravy. Now we're going to gather all sides of the dough to the center. Make sure to pinch tightly as you gather. Slightly flatten to evenly distribute the filling. Once your baking sheet is full, set them aside for about 30 minutes to proof, and again give them ample space as they will rise. After 30 minutes, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly brush your kolaches and the piroshkis with beaten eggs. This is the part a lot of the kids really enjoy doing, so it's a great way to get them involved in the kitchen to help. So I have my little helper doing this for me. After about 30 minutes, our piroshki is ready, so I'm going to cut them and show you what we have in the fillings. The first one is the rotisserie chicken with the wing sauce. Second one is the more traditional minced meat. This one is the mashed potatoes with the shredded cheese. This one is the ranch chicken. Last one is again with the traditional minced meat. Here are the kolaches. They were all so delicious. And there you have it. We made piroshki and kolaches using one dough and a few different fillings. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you share this with a family or a friend. Take care and see you back soon.